Boom, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again with another beater box. As always, man, we got a $725 beater box. This video is mad late. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I had got this box in, just now getting around to shooting it, opening it, all of that cool stuff. But better late than never. So we got, again, a $725 box from Soul Supremacy. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks. I know the old subscribers hate hearing that over and over and over again, but we always get new people, so we gotta keep on explaining it. Kind of excited to see what's in here, man. The last box did pretty good. Big knife down, and it looks like we don't have any shoes without a box in this box. This box is full too. We got a good old dusty Jordan box up front, size 5.5, Jordan Retro 11, and we already starting off with some fire. We got the Space Jams, not dead stock, size 5.5, very, very clean. Very, very clean Space Jams. Got 45 on the back. This is the last release. Have a little something on the toe right here. I'm gonna see if I can get that off the patent leather. But overall, yeah, it'll come off. Overall, these are clean. Size 5.5 Space Jams. Size 8.5 Jordan Retro 10s. We got some 10s. Again, not dead stock, but very lightly used. Take out both of them. Size 8.5 on these. These are pretty clean. Check out the bottom. Very dope. I know 10s is not a lot of people's favorite model, but this is a pretty clean colorway. I like that little pop of red in the back, the little jump man. We got 2 down. So we got a total of 7 pair in this box. We got some Air Max Tailwind 4s in a size 13. Got that retro look to them. These are a size 13, yeah. These are pretty clean. I like the design of these. I'm an Air Max dude too. I love Air Maxes. Especially when I started back going to the gym, Air Max is one of my favorites. I mean, if you really know me, you know I really rock with the Vapor Maxes, even though I know a lot of people hate them. But they just comfortable, man. But these are dope. The Tailwind 4s, size 13. A little dirt, not dirt, but sock liner. I don't know why people wear the black socks with the white sock liner. If you do that, just get a higher quality sock, that dry fit material sock. If you wear the black sock with that white sock liner, it's gonna come off 10 out of 10 times. It's gonna look horrible. All right, we got a Fear of God, Nike Air Fear of God. I'm already knowing what these are. I didn't know this colorway. These are these joints. I'm not a big hype guy, but I know people go crazy for Fear of Gods. I don't think these are the ones people are really going nuts for, but these will have the extra laces in them. Check those out. They feel like a light, really light pair. I guess it's a unisex shoe. It's a 13 women's, 11.5 men's Fear of Gods. I actually think I know somebody who might want these. I don't know. Everything that will be available is on the Instagram page. I have not been messing with eBay for a while. You guys know that. Instagram is probably the best way, or hit me up, email directly, tguysoul@gmail.com. As soon as the video go up, check the IG page, or you can just email me and I will do my best to get back to you immediately. Air Jordan 13 low. All right. I don't know what the resale is on these, but this is a nice pickup. 13 low, quad 54s. These are a size 9. Very clean. I'm pretty sure I won't have these long at all. Very, very clean. These are pre-owned with a cool 8.5, 9 out of 10. Very, very dope. Size 9 on these. Quad 54s. Dope. I love that pattern. I'll give you guys a closer look. Check them out. Again, I do not know what the resale is on these, but nonetheless, a dope pickup. We got 2 pair left. We got a Nike React Element 55 in a size 12. We got the Element Reacts, and I did know the nickname to these because I wanted this pair when they dropped, and I don't know the nickname anymore. Size 12 in men, size 13 in women. These are the Element React 55s. The React cushioning is very dope for running, and that's pretty much what I use them for. Cardio. These are dope. Very lightweight. If you're a runner, check them out. Try them. It will come with the extra laces in here. I think I actually like these better. This is my first time seeing them in hand. I was really wanting this pair when they dropped. It's got my big gray, black, and white type of guy when it comes to gym clothes. And I figured that'd be an easy match. Right. Last up, a size 10. Air Jordan 9 size 10. We got those Baron 9s in a 10. These are clean. Very clean, Baron 9s. I've had these before. My personal pair. I had the shorts and everything, bought everything to match them. But these got the 45 on the back also, just like those Space Jams. Very dope. I love the Baron stuff. Again, I'm a black, gray, and white dude. And then I pull out these joints. Size 10 on those. I probably won't have them long. Again, everything that I will have for sale will be up on the Instagram page, TGuySoul for sale. At TGuySoul for sale. The main page is still at TGuySoul. If you guys want to follow me there too. Just post a bunch of random stuff on that. Well, not random, just gym stuff and my personal pickups. But for everything that's available for sale will be on the TGuySoul for sale page. Or you can email me directly. Those are pretty much the only 2 ways. I really have not been needing eBay lately. Before I let y'all go though, I gotta give a big shout out to the missus, man. She did something amazing. Wrote a book. So I know a lot of you guys, I know this ain't got nothing to do with shoes, so a lot of you guys are fathers, mothers, young kids at home. Check out this book my wife just wrote. It's called JT's Big Plan. It's basically about a kid. Well, she wants to, I can't get a book away. I'm trying to figure out how to say it without giving the book away. So this book right here is to encourage children to think more entrepreneurship than working for someone else. This right here just, it teaches diversity, entrepreneurship, hard work. It's dope, man. 24 pages. I'm gonna flip through and give you guys a sneak peek. 24 pages, colors, words, all of that cool stuff, man. It is dope. Kid ages from like, I would say like 3 to 7, 2 to 7, something more like that. But just check it out. I'll definitely put an Amazon link down below. Very super inexpensive. She got an ebook. I think it's like $3. And I think this copy right here, if you want a copy like this, they're like 11. So I'll put a link to the Amazon where you can purchase one, man. I greatly appreciate it. You guys show some love, support that. That mean a lot to me, a lot to her. And she named it JT. My son's name is TJ. She kind of flipped it. But anyway, so, and again, I'm not sure she changed this is one of the first copies we had got. I'm trying to get it. This is one of the first copies we got, so I'm not sure how you guys' cover might look. It should look very similar to this, but she had made some changes once we had got these in. But very dope, man. Super proud of her for this. Again, the link for this will be down below. I know a lot of you guys watch my videos, and I mean, it's a rare chance that I'm gonna pull a shoe that you want, your size, that you don't already have, that you may or may not be able to afford, but you always want to show support to the channel. This would be a great way, man. It'd be so much appreciated. So I'm gonna quit rambling. Thank you guys for tuning in. Follow me everywhere at TGuy Soul. Follow Instagram at TGuy Soul for sale. That's where everything will be available. I think I'm done. I'm out. Hey, y'all be blessed too, man. I'm out. Peace.